bit of water. I have added sesame to Bikramjit's kitchen. I am Bikramjit Ray, but you can call me Biki. On the menu today is dessert, and it's a dessert which is a great favorite among the North Indians. It's called Gajar Ka Halwa. Gajar means carrot, and this is a halwa. It's a pudding made with carrots. It's got lots of sugar, it's extremely rich, and it's a great hit during the winter months when carrots are in abundance. And I am going to be making you the simplest form of making Gajar Ka Halwa because it's a really delicious recipe and I am dying to eat it. And you can eat Gajar Ka Halwa hot, piping hot, or you can cool it down and eat it. Both are equally famous in their consumption patterns, and you can also have it with a little bit of cream or rubbery or even some creme anglaise if you're doing it abroad. But I am going to be serving it just as it is because I think it is fantastic right on its own. So let's make our Gajar Ka Halwa. A cup of water, that's about 250 mLs of water, and I'm going to boil the water and then I'm going to put in my gajar. What I've got here is 1 kilo of carrots which I have grated from before. My water is coming to a boil. The first thing I need to do is I've got 2 teaspoons of raisins and I will put in about 2.5 or so tablespoons until the raisins have been submerged in this warm water, and I'm going to let this be so that the raisins become nice and plump before I put them into the halwa. So my water is boiling and I am going to be putting in 1 kilo of carrots which I have grated earlier. And what I'm going to do is this carrot is now going to be stirred, occasionally stirred about 5 minutes in this water until all the water from the carrot leaves the carrot. My carrots have reduced and all the milk is nearly gone, and into this now I'm going to be putting in a 1/4 cup of sugar, and I'm going to make sure that the sugar dissolves in the carrot and it sweetens my dessert. Now I'm going to cook this until my sugar dissolves and whatever residual milk is here, little bit, that also dries up. I am now adding 2 teaspoons of ghee into my Gajar Ka Halwa. And I continue to gently cook this. Into this now I'm going to put in khoya. What is khoya? Khoya is a reduced milk. It's a milk which you reduce. If you take a liter of milk, it will give you 1/5 khoya. So it will give you 200 milliliters of khoya. Khoya has been incorporated into my halwa. Now I'm going to be putting in, remember the raisins which I had soaked in hot water, those go into my halwa now, my carrot halwa. And finally I'm going to crush some green cardamoms, about 5, and toss them into my Gajar Ka Halwa. You serve the Gajar Ka Halwa garnished with pistachios and almonds. So you wait for this water to dry up and our Gajar Ka Halwa is ready to be served.